Hi guys, welcome back to the Profile Pattern episode 2. So in this episode, as usual, I will be logging into my Profile account and show you how I took the trade and how I passed the evaluation. So, and don't forget that this account is just a trial account. But one thing is, the trade I took on this account is the same trade that I traded on my real funded accounts. But the reason why I opened a trial account is that I will be feel free to log into my funded Nest account and show you everything, how I took the trade, the analysis, and the time it took me to pass the uh, evaluation. But this same trade that I took on this account are the same trade that I'm trading on my funded account as well. I think you understand. So let's dive right in. This is my MT5. This is my MT5. So these are the trade history. Let me go to funded nest. This is my funded nest. Normally, if this account is a normal evaluation account, I will have to make $16,000 for me to pass the phase 1. But because this is a trial account, the target will be $10,000 within 2 weeks. So I'm given 2 weeks to reach $10,000 and I reach the target within 4 trading days, as you can see here, within 4 trading days. So this is the login and this is the investor password as well. And as you can see here, Funded Nest has stated it clearly here that profit target reach. Your account has been paused. Assuming Funded Nest doesn't pause my account, I will keep on trading until I make $16,000. But since they have paused my account, so I have no option. But I have reached the target within 4 trading days. Now let's take a look. As you can see, this is the minimum trading day I'm giving. So, and this is the profit target. So let's take a look at the trading overview here. So the trading overview at times usually take a little bit time to load. So when that is loading, let's move on to MT5. These are the trade history on my MT5. As you can see, I opened the account on August 11, 2024, and I reached the the 10,000 target on August 15. So if we remove the weekend, that is about 4 trading days. And this is the first trade I took. I lose this first trade. So these are little wins. These are little wins. So I lose here again. I lose here again. I'm risking 1% per trade on this account. 1% of a 200k is a 2,000. So I have 2 consecutive losing, but my third winning, this is a little win as well. These are not my targets win. So, and this is my fourth, this is my, let me say I took 4 trade on this 1, 2, 3. So, and this is the 4th trade I win this. Although the total trade I took on this account are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But the quality trade are about 4 trade. I think you understand. So, and I lose 3 trade. My first 3 trade are losing. But one thing I want you to observe here is that these are not huge risk. These are still a calculated risk because I'm risking 1% per trade. And anytime I lose, I stop trading for that day. As you can see, this is August 12, 2024. And this is another lose on August, this should be August 11. And this is August 13. And this is August 14. So that shows and proof to you that I'm not a gambler. And I don't overtrade. So whenever I lose in a day, I take a break for that day and wait for another day. I think you understand. So, and on the 15th, the trade moved in my favor, and I exercised the needed patience to maximize the profits. Like I used to say, when you are losing, cut your loss short and let your profits run. I practice what I preach. So on this very day, I cut my loss short, and on the winning day, I let my profits run. So majority of trader doesn't have the courage. I think you understand. Maybe due to emotion, lack of experience, lack of courage. So, but as an experienced trader, I've seen a lot and I've understand a lot about the market. So I have the courage it took. I have the needed courage to wait until it reach a good profits, in as much as I'm sure of my analysis. Although I'm not the one controlling the market, don't misquote me, but when it is time to wait and let your profits run, make sure you wait. So this very day, I made 15k profits, and there, 15k minus about 5k, it remained 10k. That's how I qualified on this account without over trading, without over leveraging. So let's go to, let me show you the history here. Excuse me, the reports. Yeah, sorry. Now this is the report, as you can see. This is report the profitability as well. So the symbol I traded, so US30, I think all the trader I took are all, so I took some US30, Nasdaq 100 and SP 500. All these trader indices. So I'm moving on to funded next. So the overview is yet to load. The overview is, yeah, this is the overview. This is the trading overview. You can check here as well for you to be sure. So this is the trading overview, or the profitability, the winning rate. I have about a 57% winning rate. So losing rate, profit factor of a 2.97, best trade. This is my best trade, and growth profit, growth loss, and this is the worst trade. So can you just say, compare the worst trade to the best trade? I think you understand. So this is my worst trade. Sorry, my best trade is I made $15,000 in my best trade, while I lose $2,000 in my worst trade. And I took 7 trade. So average losing trade is about 1,700, while the average winning trade is about 3,844. These are the trades that I took on this account. These are the trades that I took on this account. These are the trades that I took on this account. These are the details. I think this is all you need. So let's check the analysis. As you can see, this is where I started trading on the account, $2,000. It's moved down. You see, as soon as I started trading, I enter a drawdown, but a minimal drawdown. So, but I was able to manage the drawdown, and I recover from the drawdown, so as soon as possible. So the first, second, and third trade was I enter into drawdown, but I was able to manage the drawdown, and I recover from the drawdown. So that is that about this episode. Thank you for watching. As you know, I will still register for another free trial account. When I pass the account, I will come here to show you. So my funded account as well. I don't feel comfortable showing my funded next account. Sorry, my funded account. That is why I usually decide to take a trial account. So, and I will always come here to show you how I perform on the trial account. But mind you, the same trade I'm taking on the trial accounts are the same trade that I'm taking on the funded accounts. But the difference is I used to be a little bit aggressive on the what was it, phase one. But whenever I enter into phase two on the challenge, I will reduce my risk per trade. And whenever I enter the funded phase, at that time you shouldn't lose the account. So I used to minimize my risk per trade. But I'm not here to disclose my trading plan or my trading strategy for you guys. If you need that, feel free to inbox me. If you want to know more about my trading strategy, my trading risk management, what was it? Or you want to learn, just comment below. And make sure you comment. I'm always interactive. I will surely reply to your comments. So I'm always active. Make sure you comment and make sure you subscribe so that whenever I post any video related to Forex or crypto, you will be the next to be notified.